Hey everyone, we're getting ready to replace a camera in a Ford Edge. And this is the camera we got. This is from Amazon. And these things go from anywhere from $12 up to $100. So I just got the middle of the road one, which I think will be okay because I think they're all made by the same company anyway. But what we're going to do is take this whole bezel apart and replace the camera. I'm going to show you the easiest way I found out to actually do the job. Let me show you. Okay, now where the confusion comes in at is you got to separate this piece from this piece. This is the whole bezel. Like I said, it's just 6 nuts and 2 clips. And disconnect this harness, pull the whole thing out. That's the only way you can do it. And you got, like I said, a total of 6. And there's the camera. You see how it's wedged in there? There's absolutely no way to get that out without removing this piece of plastic. Anyway, you can use vice grips to pull these studs, but the vice grips just keep slipping, and then you're more likely to mess the threads up. So the easiest way to do is just take your 2 nuts that you took off originally from the car and just do it that way. It's just going to be it's 2 nuts stacked up. Tighten them up. Use the bottom. It's sort of hard to do with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. But oops, still tight. But I think we can use the top one now. It's loosened up. And then your stud will just, I dropped it. And then your stud is just going to come out. There you go. And that's what the stud's going to look like. But that's the easiest way I found to get the studs out. Have a good one.